Today we're checking in on the Blue Series, and there's a lot going on. Some wins, some question marks, and a couple of decisions I'm still working through. This is one of those grows where things aren't perfect, but they're definitely interesting. Let's start with the Blue Dream, because that's the one that's been keeping me busy. In the last video, I super cropped the Blue Dream. It was stretching hard and growing fast, so I wanted to slow it down and even the structure out a little bit. A few days later, I was live on Twitch and I decided to come back in and start putting the bud clips back on, just to keep the branches down even, so that we're not fighting with them every day. Because I came in a couple of days after I'd super cropped them and they were already standing back up, so that's when I decided to put the bud clips back on. This is one of those moments where you see how resilient the plant actually is. A couple of days after bending them down, they were already standing back up. Now it looks like the lower bud sites are all starting to shoot up. They're looking a little bit droopy right now, but we are going to be getting ready to do a transplant. So once the transplant's done, then I'll give them a good watering, and that'll perk them right up. Now for the blueberry cupcake. As you can see, this one's leaning. The soil has been super moist. It's been maintaining its moisture like you wouldn't believe. I haven't watered it in over a week and the pot is still a little bit heavy. So, and all the roots on the bottom seem to be loose and weak right now, and the plant's just leaning over. So I'm debating on what I should do. Should I put more soil in the pot and try and help support the plant? Or should I just say forget it and scrap it? Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. I'm going to give it a couple of days before making my call. And on the top side, the blue cheese is starting to come in strong. This one was leaning over here, so I gave her a little bit of support. Now it doesn't even need that anymore. It's corrected itself, strengthened up, and standing on its own just fine. This one's still a little bit smaller, still playing catch up. But back to this one, I don't know how well you can see. It's the soil is still pretty wet. It's been, and again, I haven't watered it in about, I want to say about 5 days. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this plant for sure, because I want to make sure that same thing doesn't happen, that this one starts leaning. Because I'm going to be transplanting, I'm going to be using the other side of the tent. So I'm going to be turning on the other light. So the temperature in here is going to increase a bit, and hopefully that'll help the soil dry out a bit. This is where things reset a bit. More root room, better structure, and a chance to correct anything that's starting to drift. It's not about rushing. It's about setting the plants up properly for what comes next.
Well, that's where the Blue Series is at right now. The Blue Dream is responding well to training, the Blue Cheese is finding its groove, and the Blueberry Cupcake, that one's still a bit of a question mark. I'll make a decision on that leaning plant in the next couple of days, and I'd really like your input. Drop a comment and tell me what you'd do with the Blueberry Cupcake this winter. If you're enjoying these updates and want to keep following the grow, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next one. And before I wrap up, just a quick shout out to the sponsors that help make these videos possible. Big thanks to AC Infinity, Seedsman, and US Water Systems for supporting the channel. If you're picking up gear or seeds, you can use my discount codes and save a bit and support the channel at the same time. AC Infinity, code TAPROOTS, Seedsman, code TRG10, and US Water Systems, codes TRG5. As always, I'm learning as I go, and I'm bringing you along for the good, the questionable, and everything in between. Thanks for hanging out. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning. Peace.